So you're ready to start your funding search? Great. That must mean that you've already completed your business plan. Have you had it reviewed by our experts? If not, we recommend you do that first to ensure you are able to find the most programs that match your funding needs. The Funding Database is ranked as the #1 business funding database in Canada. Currently over 1,600 funding programs from government agencies and private organizations exist for you to browse through. All options are listed and displayed directly on the page. There are a few ways to search for programs. 1. You can browse the programs, one by scrolling through each of the pages and clicking on the program names. Bear in mind that not all programs and investors are for everyone. 2. Use the search box and type in keywords such as equipment, agriculture or technology. Remember that the broader the keywords, the better the results. If you don't find anything this way, don't worry. The government has a funny way of categorizing programs, and this doesn't mean there aren't any programs available for you. We can help. 3. The third way of searching for funding is to use the drop-down menu located at the top of the page. Simply select your province of business, the industries your business falls under, and the purpose of the funds you're seeking. Then click Submit. This will display all of the programs that match your search criteria. We recommended you thoroughly read and review each program's eligibility requirements and criteria. If you still have issues finding programs that fit your specific business needs, not to worry. Just use the Ask an Expert program in the left sidebar and let our experts help you conduct your search. If you have any questions, please be sure to reach out to your experts directly. Thank you.